Got a shed? Then you need a shelf in your shed. Here's how to build a shelf in a shed. And that's going to happen right now. The first key to success in this shelf shed is horizontal blocking on the flat. If I didn't build your shed, chances are you don't have horizontal blocking on the flat. So all you need is a 2x4 between your studs. Then we're going to set a ledger and a little beam. Set the right block and the left block level with each other. Measuring off the floor is probably good enough. Cut a 2x4 a couple inches short of your overall opening from here to here. This one's about 141.5. Then sort of space them equal distant from the end walls. Pop it in place and set with a few screws. 2 in each stud will be plenty. 12 inches out from the wall, set another one. If you're working alone, you need a second set of hands. Clamp's always good. I started a screw down here. Two can't hurt in here. This spans the whole way. Same deal on the right wall and the left wall, only this shelf is going to be thinner. Cut a piece to fit between your studs. Oh, that's nice. Make sure it's level. Make sure you don't have boogers coming out of your nose like I do. That's about 67 right there. Money train. Up and down screw pattern. The end where it butts into the other 2x4, I'll freeze with a toe screw. Yeah, I have a video about how to make this too. My pre-drill countersink. That's got views in the hundreds. It's epic. I use it every day though. Good tool. That's going nowhere. Next side. Whoo! Rinse, repeat. A couple of struts. One about 3 feet in from that end. Same here. That'll support the shelving on top of it. Oh yeah! And the takeaway from this, the storage Clement takeaway, is that by building a perimeter shelf up in the air, you free up all the floor space that's otherwise jammed with what? Paint cans, fertilizer, gardening soil, flower pots, bike helmets, whatever. You can also take stuff like shovels and put screws and hang them on the screws. Everything's off the floor so you can wheel in the bike or the lawnmower or the snow thrower and not have to have an archaeological dig to find out where the floor is. Okay, that's it. How to build shelves for your shed. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.